can't wait to eat this food. I'ma be what's up? Yes, y'all, look at this. They probably can't even see it. Let me open it for you. Look at that. Tell me that don't look good. Tell me that don't look good. So one, I have a waist trainer on. For anybody who's like, I look kind of big, you know, I'm on a diet. This is my meal for today. So all of this is noodles, some shrimp, and parsley. Like, that's it. And the shrimp is grilled, not fried. Lemon out here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, your napkin.
Why are you eating like that? Why are you eating like that? Loud and...
I'm not eating no way.
Yes, you are. You being super loud eating.
Okay, we'll turn it off because it's hot as heck in here. Dang. Why are you staring at me like that?
Because why are you eating like that?
I haven't ate all day.
I haven't either. And you just eating in front of my face, just smacking like that.
This is how I regularly eat.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You are doing the most right now.
No, I'm not doing the most.
Are. You showing out.
Would you like some?
No, I don't. You know I don't eat shrimp.
You don't?
You know I don't eat that.
Really? What? What? It's hot in here, ain't it?
No, it's a fly in here that I let out. So it won't get on your food. Alright, give me this. You don't get no more because you trying me. You looking dead at me making the most noise you can.
I'm not. This is how I chew.
No, it's not. No, it's not. I don't eat plenty meals with you and you don't eat like that.
Okay, I'm going to eat a quieter food. It's the food that makes all the noise. We haven't ate spaghetti with each other in a long time. I've changed.
That ain't spaghetti.
It got the same noodles. Put it in the noodles. Yes, yes, yes. What?
Slow down. It's gonna be there.
I am
slowing
down.
And close your mouth when you eat. You've been taught manners. Your mama taught you manners.
What are you talking about?
Because you... Like, come on, man.
I know what you're talking about.
Yes, you do.
You got some water?
No. You should have bought you some water when you went in there.
Yes, I do have one.
Alright, no more for you, bro. No more, bro. You trying it. You trying me, bro. You not funny, bro.
What are you talking
about? You're not funny because you trying me, bro.
I'm not trying you.
Close your mouth and eat.
I am closing my mouth and eating.
You sound like my dad over here.
Okay, well, your dad likes good food.
No.
So I'm not allowed to eat?
No, until you close your mouth.
Okay.
You gonna close your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you don't got them on now. Come on now.
It It's good.
Come on now. Like, work with me.
It's good. I'm confused. Do you want me to eat or do you want me to starve to death? I'm confused. I'm convinced.
I'm starving and you just eating in my face. Okay, enough. Come on now. Come on, for real. Like, you doing it on purpose now.
I'm eating.
You not.
This is how I eat.
Chew with them closed.
I am. This is how I eat.
You keep trying to make noises for no reason.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you do. You sound like a cow eating right now.
I sound or look like
you
a
sound
cow?
like a cow.
It
You don't look like a cow. I didn't say you was a cow. I said you sound like a cow.
If you sound like something, that means you are something.
No,
I cannot sound like a cow
Yes,
unless I'm a cow.
No, I didn't say that.
That's what you're saying.
No, I'm not. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Wow. Exactly what I'm gonna die.
Why you trying to flip my...
It's all good.
You trying to flip my words.
It's all good. It's okay. I'm a cow.
It's
You're
up
a
there.
cow. Moo. 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 You're the weirdo dating a cow.
I didn't say you.
You did. You did. It's cool. You did. You did. You pretty much called me a cow.
I did not call you a cow.
If I say you know what you sound like? You sound like a duck.
Okay, I'm like, okay, quack quack. Like,
okay, can a duck sound like a human? How?
By eating.
That sound like a human?
Yes.
No.
Humans smack too.
I naturally.
And that's what you don't naturally smack.
Yes,
you don't naturally smack.
Yes, I do.
You know how to
like
no, you don't. You know how to eat with your mouth closed. Alright, I'm finna. Hey, yo, my mans, get your girl. Stop playing.
Okay.
Stop playing.
I am.
You play too much. Before I call him over here. Yo, my mans, get your girl. Yo, this your girl? Come on now.
I'm true.
No, you trying to be petty.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
Moo. That would be petty since you called me a cow.
I didn't call you a cow.
You did.
I said you sound like a cow. I didn't say you look like a cow. Nor did I say you resemble a cow. I said you're eating like a cow.
That's resembling a cow.
No, it's not.
I'm resembling
no, you're
a
not.
cow eater.
You're making the noise.
Have you ever even seen a cow eat?
Yes, I have. I've been to a cow farm before.
You went to a cow farm?
Yes, I did. And I milked them before.
A cow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When'd you go?
When I was in I went to a summer camp and they took us
in college.
Yeah, I went to a summer camp at Tuskegee University, which is an agriculture school, and they taught us how to milk cows. And I milked a goat before. Stop.
I'm cleaning my mouth.
No, you're not. Drink some water.
You're right. 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 Right.
You're just making the most noise you can, huh? Yes, you are. You trying to make the most noise as you possibly can.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yo,
what?
Alright, man, I'm done.
Trey, it's just a prank. Relax yourself. It's a prank. You about to go back to sleep?
Yep.
Oh
my God! Come on now, for real.
No.
And you just said it was a prank and you still making noises. Shh. Silence.
No. I'm confused. When you go to the farm and you told the cows to be quiet, did they stop?
Yes, they did.
So let me take my cow's cell phone. What you finna do? You not finna whoop me. Yeah. Okay, it's a prank. I'm done playing. Look, leave me alone. It's a prank. Relax. It's a prank.
I was finna fire off on that ass.
Okay.
Stop playing.
Okay.
You woke me up from my sleep playing.
All right, we get it. Dang.
It ended.
I gotta do my outro.
Go ahead.
I love y'all. We'll never be here without y'all. See me y'all day, every day, every day and night, united. Big things, top love, things, stop man.
End it.
On the road to consistency, so make sure you go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I love y'all. Okay, you can
Peace.
Peace.
All right.
You can get in the car now. Oh my God.
See?
Oh nigga, I'm about to tear you up. You really just whooped me like I'm a child?
Trying to play with me.
Okay. I want you to know something. You done started something, and I'ma finish it. It ain't gonna be now. It ain't gonna be when you expect it. But watch your back. Watch your back.
You see this? You want some more?
Look at me in my eyes.
You want some more?
I got something for you.
You want some more?
Do you hear me? Tracy, you about to have me tear you up. Y'all love y'all guys.